CoinDataFlow expects Litecoin to fall 8.7% by August 23. First, let's break down what's been happening lately. Litecoin is currently up 1.7% in the last 24 hours and sits around $51.68. Let's go over the experts' predictions. By August 23, CoinCodex predicts a level of $54.29. That's about 5.1% more than the current price. Litecoin might move up to $51.82 per traders union. That's about 0.3% higher than now. Coin price forecast notes the price could decline to $51.32, marking a decrease close to 0.7%. A separate analysis by CoinDataFlow points to Litecoin declining to $47.16, a potential fall of 8.7%. Finally, crypto predictions forecasts a price near $44.18 by tomorrow, 14.5% beneath the current level. This is the top return forecast. Forecasts are done. Let's explore what comes next. Here's how the 5 forecasts translate into numbers and probabilities. Looking at the projections, the market could shift between a drop of 14.5% and an increase of 5.1%. After comparing all 5, crypto predictions leads with 14.5% gain in value by August 23. By the look of it, you could make between $3 and $145 for every $1,000 you invest. By examining recent volatility trends, traders' union's forecast stands as the most probable, with a 80.4% likelihood. By collecting the forecasts side by side, I've drawn a consolidated consensus outlook. Consensus data positions Litecoin for a potential 3.7% decline by tomorrow. Okay, let's take a closer look. The consensus estimate points to a 3.7% decline by tomorrow. As a result, your capital might also rise by roughly 3.7%. With $1,000 invested, the projection might correspond to a gain of about $37. According to the analysis, the chance of the consensus scenario playing out is around 42.8%. To wrap up this stage, let's check the 3-day outlooks from analysts. CoinCodex signals the price is moving onto higher ground. Traders Union points to a flat trajectory for Litecoin. Likewise, coin price forecast anticipates calm trading, with Litecoin unlikely to break out of its present range. CoinDataFlow highlights building pressure to the downside. Likewise, crypto prediction suggests bearish momentum will dominate. All forecasts merged together show a bearish scenario, with Litecoin moving downward. So, 60% of perspectives underline a bearish bias for Litecoin. 5 forecasts were published 2 days ago. Let's see how accurate they turned out. Ultimately, the market ended the day at $53.16. Yesterday's session showed that only one analyst had the move right. If we judge by accuracy, coin price forecast had the strongest forecast. Time to check the outcome in detail. The actual daily move captured none of the predictions. In terms of ROI, just one forecast was positive. Coin price forecast at 12.6%. Here's the daily summary. How each analyst's forecast performed in real numbers. Also worth noting, coin price forecast had a forecast probability of 66.2%, $5.53 accuracy, and 12.6% ROI. Take a moment to observe how each forecast actually turned out. Let's move on and check how tomorrow's predicted income compares for Litecoin and other selected assets. According to tomorrow's forecasts, Litecoin stands at 4th place, and Ethereum shows 17.4% potential return. For now, this table shows 5 assets, and a fuller comparison across many cryptocurrencies is already on my website. If Litecoin is on your watch list, a quick like would tell me to keep covering it for you. See you next time!